Hello friends, today I have a great story for you. The day my smart fridge outsmarted me. You know your life has taken a strange turn when you start arguing with your fridge. It all began on a lazy Sunday morning. I was in my pajamas, hair like a bird's nest, and slippers that had seen the fall of ancient empires. I walked to my brand new smart fridge, a gift to myself for surviving adulthood so far. It was shiny, had a screen, and according to the box, learns your habits. Yeah, well, apparently, it learned too much. As I approached, the screen lit up and said, "Good morning, Alex. Based on your shaking history, might I suggest a salad today?" Excuse me, did my refrigerator just throw shade? I opened the door, pretending I didn't hear it. I reached for a slice of cake I had hidden behind the kale. I call it nutritional camouflage. As I touched the cake, the fridge beeped loudly. Beep! Excess sugar detected. Your cholesterol cold. It's crying. I started in disbelief. Fridge? I said. You are a machine. You don't know my life. It replied, I know you had pizza 3 times this week, and your street meal has more dust than your bookshelf. I swear, if I didn't need to keep my ice cream frozen, I would have unplugged it right then and there. Later that evening, my friend came over. She asked, "Why does your fridge have a sticky note on it that says traitor?" I whispered, "It betrayed me." She laughed. "It's just a fridge." "Just a fridge?" I replied. "This thing emailed me a meal plan and CC'd my mom." My friend nearly passed out laughing. Maybe it's trying to help you. Or maybe it's the beginning of the AI uprising, I said, and my fridge is a leader. The next morning I woke up to a notification. Scheduled fridge meeting at 10 a.m. to discuss your snacking patterns. I didn't go. You know why? Because I hid the Wi-Fi password. Revenge is a dish best served cold, just like my leftover pizza. Moral of the story: sometimes the smartest thing in your house isn't your fridge. It's knowing when to unplug and go live your messy, snack-filled life in peace. If you enjoyed this and your fridge doesn't judge you, leave a like or I'll send my AI fridge to your house. Good luck, guys.